Imagine an animal so small, yet its fur has created an industry worth billions. The civet, a unique creature with fur prized for its softness, shine, and incredible insulation, is at the heart of a booming market. With 50 million mink pelts produced annually, the fur industry alone generates a staggering $8 billion in revenue. But the civet's influence doesn't stop there. It also plays a pivotal role in creating one of the most expensive coffees in the world, civet coffee. Let's take a closer look at this remarkable animal and its impact on luxury products. Civets, raised carefully by farmers, begin their life in a protective environment. For the first few weeks, the mother keeps her babies warm and safe, while farmers add straw bedding to ensure the young civets are comfortable and cozy during their growth stage. These animals are nurtured for up to 8 months, consuming a diet rich in finely ground fish to promote healthy growth. Once the civets reach maturity, farmers prepare for the harvesting of their fur, using humane methods to minimize stress and discomfort for the animals. This process involves rendering the civets unconscious before carefully harvesting their pelts. To create high-quality fur products, the pelts are treated with chemicals that soften and enhance their texture, ensuring the fur is smooth and luxurious. The pelts are then dyed, labeled, and carefully packaged for sale. The process of civet fur production begins with the careful harvesting of this valuable material, requiring meticulous care and humane practices. Civets are raised in a protected environment, where they are carefully nurtured by farmers to ensure their health and proper growth. For the first few weeks, the mother keeps her babies warm and safe, while farmers add straw and other bedding materials to ensure a comfortable and warm environment during their development. Once the civets reach maturity, farmers prepare for the harvesting of their fur, a process that is done humanely to minimize stress and discomfort for the animals. This process involves rendering the civets unconscious before harvesting begins, reducing pain and anxiety. The civet fur, being highly valuable, must then be carefully processed to ensure high-quality products. After harvesting, civet fur undergoes various treatment processes to transform it into high-end luxury products. One important step is bleaching or dyeing the fur to ensure it has an attractive color and premium quality. The bleaching and dyeing processes are carried out using special chemicals to soften the fur, giving it a smooth, luxurious texture. In addition to the color treatment, the fur undergoes further steps to ensure it is soft and supple. The fur is then rolled or neatly arranged before packaging, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the fur's quality, ensuring the product remains intact as it is delivered to market. Civet coffee, a unique product derived from the feces of civets, involves a complex and special production process. First, ripe coffee cherries are harvested from coffee trees, thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. These cherries then go through the civet's digestive system, where they undergo partial fermentation before being excreted. The beans from the civet's feces are collected, cleaned, and dried under the sun. After drying, they are placed in heat dryers to remove any remaining moisture, ensuring long-term preservation of the coffee. This fermentation process inside the civet's digestive tract imparts a distinct flavor profile to the coffee, making it highly sought after for its unique taste and complexity. However, concerns arise about the ethical treatment of civets in the coffee industry. Continuous production of civet coffee can cause stress, health deterioration, and reduced reproductive abilities in these animals. Therefore, it is essential to adopt humane farming practices that prioritize the well-being of civets while maintaining the production of high-quality coffee. The production of bamboo products, a renewable natural resource, follows a closed-loop process that provides many environmental benefits. The harvesting of bamboo begins by selecting mature bamboo stalks, which are then cut down and processed into high-quality materials. Bamboo is a fast-growing plant that takes only 5 to 7 years to mature, compared to decades required for traditional timber trees. After harvesting, bamboo undergoes several processing stages. The bamboo is washed and cut into smaller pieces before being used to make products such as chopsticks, spoons, and forks. These items are created using high pressure and heat to shape the bamboo into aesthetically pleasing and durable products. Bamboo is also used to produce paper, a material that is not only eco-friendly but also easily recyclable. Using bamboo for paper production helps reduce pressure on forests, protect ecosystems, and save natural resources. Civet coffee, a unique product derived from the feces of civets, begins with the collection of ripe coffee cherries from trees. These cherries are thoroughly washed to remove impurities before being fermented by the civet's digestive processes. After being cleaned and dried under the sun, the beans are placed in heat dryers to remove excess moisture, preserving the coffee's quality for long-term storage. While this coffee is highly sought after, there are growing concerns over the ethical treatment of civets in the coffee industry. Constant production of civet coffee can cause stress, health deterioration, and reduced reproductive abilities in these animals. This highlights the importance of adopting humane farming practices that prioritize the well-being of civets, ensuring they live in a natural, stress-free environment. Bamboo, with its exceptional growth rate, is rapidly gaining popularity as a sustainable alternative to traditional timber. It takes only 5 to 7 years for bamboo to mature, compared to the 30 to 100 years required for conventional trees. An acre of bamboo can produce enough material to build a 1,000 square feet house, whereas 12 acres of forest would be needed for the same purpose. Bamboo is also incredibly versatile. It's used in everything from eco-friendly bamboo chopsticks to durable spoons and forks, offering a sustainable solution to everyday products. Bamboo is also a great alternative to plastic straws, which contribute significantly to environmental pollution. With millions of plastic straws flooding the world each year, bamboo straws are a perfect eco-friendly substitute, biodegradable and sustainable. Beyond its use in daily products, bamboo's ability to absorb CO2 makes it an ideal material for reducing the greenhouse effect. When used for construction, bamboo helps lower carbon emissions, making it a valuable material in the fight against climate change. Additionally, bamboo's rapid renewability makes it an excellent resource for paper production, easing pressure on forests while protecting the environment. As we witness the growing demand for both civet fur and bamboo products, it's clear that these industries are not only contributing to the global economy but also pushing for more sustainable practices. The demand for luxury products, especially those derived from civets and bamboo, is being met with new technologies and better farming practices that are less harmful to the environment and the animals involved. With the shift towards green living and sustainable practices, we can expect these industries to evolve into more ethical, eco-friendly sectors.